Hi there, welcome back. Slightly different video for you today. So over the moon. I went and had my nails done by Leona from Nails by Leona. She is a small business local in the Bristol, UK area. If you are about or live in that area or surrounding areas, why not go on over to all her socials, contact her and go along for an appointment. I mean, I absolutely love these nails. Been going to her for a little while now and she never ever disappoints. These are beautiful. They are an ombre effect, more of a frosted feel. I'm not somebody who would wear a red colour or gold colour on their nails, so this was my idea, my head, hats off to Christmas type of thing. So there's a lot of detail in these nails. She's done some hand artwork there. I don't know if it's not picking it up too well on this camera, but it's beautiful. And there are some inlaid snowflakes and beautiful blue colour. Some of them are ombre, some are just all about the glitter, having the party. But anyway, she was so happy that we had become her clients, and as a little thank you, she gifted us these. Now this is 2 pots of the glitters that she uses from a stockist called Glitter Bells, and I think that actually says by Annabelle on it. So this is Glitter Bells. Now, I'm not sure if you, being a member of the public, can buy these direct from this company or if you have to be in the nail technician business. Now, this one is called, I believe, let's see, Donut Sugar. Donut Sugar. Oh, that's going to be glorious, glorious. I'm sure it is. Yeah, they come in these lovely little pots. Well, they're not so little actually, and they are packed full of the glitter. Now, Leona's got loads and loads of different shades, colours, shapes of this range, of glitters in this range, and opaque colours, and wow, I mean, you could just go on and on and on. It fascinates me. She's got like what I would call a colour wall of shelves of all the different shades and glitters that they do, and you can have them for acrylics, which is what I've got, or you can have them on natural nails, or you can have them on gel nails. She does the gel builder nails. She does everything really that comes that would normally come available in a nail technician studio. So here we go, just taking the lid off. This is a safety seal. Now I call them safety fit seals. They're probably not called that, but wow, look at the intensity of this. And yes, it does look a bit like a pale pinky, mauvey, lilac-y coloured crystallized sugar. So the name Donut Sugar is quite apt. It's quite apt. Yeah, I mean, I'm just getting something that I can use. Here we go. I'm using a little coffee stir stick. So you can just see, look at that. Camera's a little bit unfocused, apologies for that, but it's gorgeous. And of course, with the light shining on it, it reflects lots of other colors within it, but the predominant color is the pinky, lilac-y, sort of pale mauvey colors. And of course, she knows what our logo colors are for lottiejasminedesigns, and thought that this would be an ideal color for us. Which, she's not wrong there. She's not wrong. Anyway, hopefully you're still tuned into this. This is different from the kind of video we normally do, but we were so amazed and so grateful to her for giving these to us to try and use in resin, because obviously she knows what we do as a hobby, and thought maybe they might look quite good in perhaps some little key rings, some little hearts, things like that. And actually, I've just had an idea. Oh wow, oh look, it's all over my hands as well. Why, I can always have to get it on my hands for some reason. Look how beautiful. It really does look like Tinkerbell fairy dust. Yeah, this is the other colour she gave us. Now, yeah, the idea. Earrings. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to try some of those. Look out for the video, little spoiler alert, look out for a video following this one on Sunday of this week. That will be our last one. Oh, this one, actually, this colour of this glitter. Marky Mark. Oh, that's quite funny. Those of you of a certain age, like me, will know who Marky Mark is. Yeah, if you don't, Google it. But here we are. There's this beautiful blue colour. Wow. And yep, it's still all over my fingers. It will come off. It does wash off with a little bit of gentle soap and water. Just rinse it off. And do that if ever you've been working with any glitters before you then go on and do anything else. Otherwise you'll end up with glitter everywhere. And they were just removing the safety. Wow. The intensity of the blues. Royal blues, electric blues, even little flashes of purple. And around the outside where it's more intense and the light can't get through the pot so much, it almost looks black. But, I mean, it's got, in this one, it looks a bit more obvious. We've got the very, very fine glitter. And then we've got the bigger glitters, almost like what I would call confetti style glitters. So the bigger circles. Wow. And these two pots are absolutely packed full. They are and would last you a long, long time. Unless you were making really large one-off pieces, these would last such a long time. But yeah, as I was saying, spoiler alert, don't forget to tune in to our video on Sunday when you will see me using these glitters. And, you know, why not put your guess in the comments as to what you think I am going to make out of this, out of these two colours of glitter. Might be Christmas themed, might not, might be something completely different. But I do actually think these have got a bit of a Christmas thing about them, because if you are like me and you don't initially go for the traditional, you know, reds and golds and greens, although they're beautiful and they look nice everywhere, I prefer more something like this. So I would say that this is still Christmassy. I reckon it is. I reckon it's still Christmassy. And there we go. So absolutely gorgeous glitter. I better put this safety lid back on quickly before I spill any of it, because that would just be, well, that'd be criminal. So tightly back on with the lid. As I said, they're by a company called Glitter Bells by Annabelle. And as I said, I don't think you general public can get them, but you may be able to unless you're a nail technician or in the beauty business. So there's just another close-up again of the two different pots. They are gorgeous. Very, I mean, I haven't seen glitter in any other pots in this kind of packaging and so on. And I am really hoping that I can get I can purchase some of this as a member of the public. Hoping, fingers crossed. But yes, they are beautiful, beautiful colours. So as I've said before, why not head on over to Leona, Nails by Leona. She's on Facebook and Instagram. She has probably not got any appointments left now before Christmas, as obviously this video is coming out on Friday, the 22nd. But why not see what she's got available for the new year? And, you know, don't forget, it's a good idea to support local businesses and anyone who is, you know, who's trying to make it in that environment and in that world. So I'd just like to say thanks again for tuning in and for watching all of our videos this year. Hopefully you've stayed with me to the end of this one and just allowed us this little reprieve from showing you a resin video where we're actually creating something, and just to be able to talk about the product instead. Thanks again. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, season's greetings, and a very happy and healthy new year. And we will see you in 2 weeks' time from this Sunday. So this Sunday on the 24th, Christmas Eve, is our last video, 5 p.m. UK time. After that, we won't be back for a couple of weeks, but we will be coming back with Valentine's Day themed projects. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.